In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Google Chrome search engine from unexpectedly changing to Yahoo. If you've ever found that your usual Google search engine settings have mysteriously switched to Yahoo, it can be quite frustrating. Thankfully, resolving this issue is relatively simple. Let's dive into how you can quickly get your default search engine back to Google and ensure it stays that way. First things first, open your Google Chrome browser. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is your gateway to Chrome's settings and options. Next, you'll see a variety of menu options pop up. But for today, we're heading to the one labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is your central hub where you can customize whatever you need in Chrome, from privacy options to appearance settings. In the Settings menu, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the search engine option. It might be a little lower down, so scroll if necessary, and then click on Search Engine. This section will allow you to manage and control which search engine Chrome uses as its default. Once you're there, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Search Engine Used in the address bar. Click on this drop-down menu and make sure that Google is selected. This step ensures that Google is your primary search engine moving forward. Next, right below this, you'll see another option labeled Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Give that a click. This section will show you a list of all the search engines that have been used or installed on your browser. Here's the important part. Scroll through this list and keep an eye out for any unfamiliar or unwanted search engines, especially if Yahoo shows up when you didn't set it. If you find any, click the three-dot menu to the right of those entries and select Delete. This step is crucial in removing any search engines you don't want to use. After you've managed your search engines, let's ensure your browser doesn't revert to those settings again. Go back to the left-hand sidebar in the Settings menu and this time look for Reset Settings. Click on it, then you'll see the option to restore settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings. What this does is remove any browser hijackers or extensions that could be causing these unwanted changes. Once all of this is done, it's a good idea to restart your Chrome browser. Just close it out and open it back up. Now, your default search engine should stick to Google without switching unexpectedly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have resolved the issue of your search engine mysteriously changing to Yahoo. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your browser settings back to normal.